Hello and welcome to the video instructions of the assignment. First is to download Bracket is in Blackboard. Next is using AutoCAD, open bracket drawing. Okay, but we see right here is we have already the multi-views pre-drawn already. So what I'm going to do on this one is we're going to convert some of the objects into a 3D drawing. First is we're going to change the workspace. Go to the bottom right-hand corner of the status bar. Click on the drop-down arrow right beside the gear and select 3D modeling. Now the ribbon for 3D modeling, it's shown on the upper top of AutoCAD. Okay, next we're going to change the preset view to SE isometric. In the drawing area, upper left-hand corner, click on the text top and select SE isometric. Now next is we're going to copy several objects. Okay. So we're going to use the copy tool. Select this object, select the two ellipses. I'm going to select also this one and select this one right there. Okay, okay, those are the objects to be copied. Press enter. Base point, we're going to select the center of the top circle right here, the center. Now for the second point, we're going to input the coordinates 8, comma 21. Press enter and press enter one more time. And there you go. We have those objects right here. So now I'm going to use the first 3D operation, which is extrude. In the command line, type in EXT and press enter. Select objects and select the objects which just been copied. This one, that one, this one, that one, and press enter. We're gonna move the mouse upward and height of extrusion to be 0.25. 0.25, press enter. Now we just converted the objects into 3D. Okay, let's change visual style. In the drawing area, upper left-hand corner, click on the 2D wireframe and change to conceptual. You notice this right here is we're shown the holes in here, but it needs to be a hole through. Okay. So we can fix that one by using the subtract tool. Let's go back to the visual style, click on conceptual and go to realistic. You know, it's yeah, there got circles in there and hole through. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the wireframe and we're gonna use the next 3D operation which is the subtract. Okay, in the command line, type in SU, press enter. Okay, we're gonna modify this 3D object first. Click on this object first, press enter, and select the two cylinders. Enter. Okay, now let's change visual style from 2D wireframe to realistic, and there you go. Okay. Now we're going to modify also the other object. So I'm going to change visual style to the wireframe. I'm going to go to the command line and type in SU, press enter, select this object first, press enter and select the cylinder and press enter. Change visual style to realistic and there it is right there. Okay. Next is we're gonna move this object into this object right here. So not gonna be looking like the assignment 3D view. Okay. So I'm gonna click on realistic again, the text to the wireframe. Gonna go to the command line and type in 3D align. Press enter. Gonna select this object first. Press enter. And the command line says base point. So we're gonna select the midpoint right there. Second point will be this midpoint here. Third point to be the end point there. Okay. Do not press enter. First destination point. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out and gonna zoom in to this object and select the midpoint right here. Midpoint, and end point. There it is. Now the object got moved and got rotated. Next, we're gonna combine these two objects into one 3D solid using union. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the command line. I'm gonna type in U and I. Press enter. Select this object. Select the other object. Press enter. Okay, let's go to visual style, realistic, and there it is. And we completed the 3D drawing of the bracket. So I'm gonna go to the layout of the multi-views. These are the multi-views of the 3D bracket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the border. So type in insert, press enter, and browse. I'm gonna select a border with attributes. Okay. Open, click OK. Insertion point 0, comma 0. Press enter. And edit attributes window is displayed. So we're gonna input today's date. Input your name. Scale 1:1. The title is bracket. Click OK. That takes care of this layout. Let's go to 3D view layout. On the bottom left hand corner, click on the tab 3D view. And there's our 3D view of the bracket. So I'm going to insert. You want to insert a border with attributes, click OK. Insertion point 0, comma 0. Press enter. Base date, input. And input your name. Scale 1:1. Title 3D view. Click OK and save drawing and submit in Blackboard.